So for this one, when you are given only the gradient, all the examples that we looked at previously, you were given the equation to draw the graph. Also, you were also given 2 points and a gradient to draw the graph. This time you are given only the gradient. So when you are given the gradient, how are you going to draw it? Let's quickly look at how we can do that. Okay, so we know that this is our gradient m, which is given to us as 0.5. Okay, and as I said before, you can draw the gradient, always ensure that you get a fraction so that the interpretation will be okay. All right, good. So if that's the case, then we know that 0.5 is giving us 1 and 2, that's half. Okay, so half is the same as 0.5. Once we have this half, it means that here we are going to, and it, what does this gradient also means? Will the graph rise or fall? It means that the graph will what? Will rise because it is positive. When it is rising, then it means that it is moving from the left. Okay, it is moving from the left to the right upwards. Okay, then it is rising. But when it has negative gradient, it means that the graph has to what? Fall. It will move downwards. Okay, so in this case, it means we will move what? To our right. How many steps? 2 steps. And it will make the graph what? Rise. How many steps? 1 step or 1 unit. Okay, now when you have questions like this without the point or equation, but you are given already the gradient, it means that automatically our the coordinate for x and y, or x and y intercept, is going to be the origin. Yes, when you have it like this, it means that the x and the y intercept should be at the origin or at the center. And what means is that it is at the center that will be your initial position. That is where you stand and move to the right direction 2 units. That will also make what the graph would rise 1 unit. Okay, so let's draw the graph and see how it looks like. Okay, so let's do that. So it means that this will be our point. That is the coordinates for the center. Okay, so I will make this a series here. Once we have a positive gradient, it means that it will rise. Okay, how many units? 1 unit. So the denominator means that if I move to my right 2 units like this, so from here 1 2, then the graph has to rise how many units? 1 unit. So from here is 1. Okay, if moves 1 2, then rises 1 unit. Okay, so you make it here. Okay, good. Then once we have this, we have to, if you want to get another one, so looking at the graph, you realize that it will pass here. Okay, so to get some point here, then it means that if I'm going this direction, it means it is falling. Whenever you're coming down here, it means it is falling. So to get it to fall, then I can say that to my left side, if I move 2 steps or 2 units to my left, then it will what? Fall 1 unit. So this 1 2 here, then it will fall 1 unit here. So here is where I'm going to get this. Okay, good. So it means that it is rising. As it is going, then it is going up like that. Okay, once I have this, then I can join my point. If I still want to continue and get more points, I can still start here as my initial, then move to my left. How many times? 2 times. So from here 1 2, and then it will fall 1 unit. So I can make another point here, okay, so that I'll get accurate straight line. If I want to get another one here, then from this point I'll move 2, so 1 2, and it will rise how many times? 1. So here, so if you want to do it, you can do it and do it until you get what? Accurate straight line. Okay, good. So whenever you have similar examples, you should know how to go about it. It's very simple. All right, so let me join them together. So this is my straight line. Okay, good. That's it. Okay, so you see that this graph and these diagrams are very, very easy. You can just do that easily. So this brings us to the end of the graph of a linear function. Okay, yes, the graph of a linear function. So we shall also be looking at the graph of quadratic function, the graph of a cube function, and all that. Okay, so I'm your facilitator, Ivan Sokain. This channel is Mazris TV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Bye bye.